Hi, this is how you set up a Moonly Discord bot, specifically holder verification. So click on Add to Discord. You'll need to be logged in so you can sign in with the Discord. Tries, and you'll be in. Over here, you have ability to select do you want to set a whole verification, sales bot, or something that is coming soon. Let's focus on the whole verification. Here you have a server. If you don't have a server added, you can go to the servers over here in the menu and add a new server. And I'm gonna add a new one, pretty quick. Authorize. Yeah, let me pause and deal with the captcha. All right, so I'm in. I have the server over here, and you can go back to dashboard, whole verification, and now you can select your server, Automatio. And here is, as you can see, we have no rule set up, and we can click on this button to initiate the settings. So you can actually do create the rules manually, which means that you need to have some holders or actually roles in your Discord server. And you can say holding one NFT off, and then you can type some collection, let's say Moonly in this case. Will give some role out there. But what you can also do is you can set up multiple roles in just a couple clicks by using this action or generate rules. So here you can set up in case you want to give your community other roles uh, than the role from your NFT. For example, let's say that you want to identify who is OK Bears or maybe Mad Lads or Famous Fox folder and so on and so on. You can basically go here and generate this by a couple clicks. So you have ability to select the top collection by price, volume 24 hours, or volume descending. So let's say a volume 24 hours, and let's say I want to have 50 collections out there. And as you can see over here, we get this filtered collection out there that we can check out if we don't want to have some over here. So let's say I can check out all of this stuff, and I'm just gonna, let's say, end up with a couple of them. So I'm gonna check out a bunch of them over here. And as you can see over here, we have ability to create the server roles automatically. So this will create a server role for you. So you don't need to go to Discord, create a role for each of these for each of this project, but it will automatically actually create a server role. You can choose the random color, or you can choose default color for all of those projects out there, and you can proceed. So look what will happen. Let me actually filter out more of those because I don't maybe I don't want them. Okay, boom, boom, boom. So I'm just gonna end up with, I don't know, 70, 15, something like that. Okay, 12. Boom, boom. So let me generate. So look what happened. You end up with everything set up for you. Basically, it's a holding one NFT, a ghost key DAO of any trait of any value. You have the ghost key, give a ghost key DAO role. And basically, this role is already created in your Discord server, and it's already matched with this rule. So you don't need to go manually create 20 different roles and set up the permissions and then come here and set up rules for each of these. Everything is set up very quickly for you. And I would just need to click save over here, and that's basically it. One important thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to your server and go to the roles, and then just drag and drop the out Moonly to be above the roles that you want to manage. So if the Moonly will also give the role to Automator, just put it out there as a hierarchy, almost at the top. basically. So Moonly should be above the roles that will manage, that will give those roles. That's one thing. Another thing is, again, you don't need to go this way. You, by generating rules automatically, you can manually generate those rules. So basically you can say, hey, if someone holding, again, let's say Moonly, give him a role or automator, for example, and then you can save, basically like that. And that's the most of it. Another thing is what you can do. You can mention the holder on getting roles over here. So if this is by default on, so you will need just to select the channel over here, and let's say the channel will be welcome. So whoever will get the role, actually, who will be notified in this channel, he'll get a message. Over here you can set up the moderator. If you want to give someone to manage this for you, you can set up the roles. So this role will be able to manage these rules over here in the Discord, and that's basically it. You can send a test message, and the test message is sent successfully. As you can see, if I go to the welcome message, we'll see these HVB tests successful. So if I save this, um, I should get some roles, I guess. But I already have some role. Let's see. I'm already automator. So I'm just gonna remove this role, and probably in the couple minutes I should get this role. So let me pause the video and let's see how this goes. Right. Didn't even the minute pass. I got my role, automator. And that's basically it. You can again turn this off, this function notify role holder. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. This this functionality is kind of pretty cool because you what we do on our server. Let me show up. Let me just find it. All right. So for here's an example of where this guy got a shark and whale roll, which means that he hold 10 moonlies out there. And as you can see, people engage with it out there. So it kind of create engagement in the server. When someone gets some specific role, people engage with it and say hello, whale, and praise it basically. So it's a pretty cool and useful feature to have. As you can see on our Moonly server, we have this for other roles. So not only for Moonly, we also let people know when they get their Lily role, for example, in our server, which is a Moonly, and so on. Basically, that's pretty much it. If you want to set up a sales bot, you basically again select your server, and of course the Automatio doesn't have a collection, so this is just an example. But let's say a Moonly, and then you select the channel where the sales bot will write. Again, you select a collection. Maybe one server have multiple collection, and here you can pass the events: sales list, the list. Transfer currently is not working, but we're gonna do this in future. So basically you can, if you don't wanna in your channel select the list, send the list and list events, you can just set up sale and save. But if you want to, you can also share this. So announcement catcher is the new experimental feature that we kind of working on. We kind of finished it but didn't put in production, where you need to set up some channel, and basically or announcement channel, you pick up the announcement channel out there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna collect this announcement and display on the Moonly website in the very near future. So, which means that the project who use this feature will able to get some additional exposure uh, via the announcements they created. So that's basically it. I don't want to make this video any much longer. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Peace out. All the best.